Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to log in Flagstar online banking account. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I have opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in flagstar.com, press enter. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the official website of Flagstar. You'll be able to find various options over here. So if you want to log into your online banking account, click on the login option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the login interface. From here, you'll be able to log into your account. First of all, what you have to do is select the account that you want to log into. You'll be able to find the available accounts over here. Click on it. Now you'll be able to find the options like online banking, my loans, credit card, private banking, etc. Click on this option, online banking. Now you'll be able to enter the username and password. Click on the field of username and enter your username over here. Click on the field of password and enter the password. If you have forgotten your username, click on this option, forgot username, and you'll be able to recover it. Likewise, if you have forgotten your password, click on the option forget password and you'll be able to reset it. Now after you enter your credentials, click on the login option that you can see on the screen and you'll be logged into your account. So that is how you log in Flagstar online banking account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.